Hello everyone and welcome to the very first video in our comprehensive Java programming course for absolute beginners. I'm Oleg and I'm thrilled to be your guide on this exciting journey into the world of coding. If you've ever been curious about how software is made, how websites work, or how those amazing apps on your phone are created, then you're in the right place. We're going to start from the very beginning and build a solid foundation in Java programming, step by step. No prior programming experience is needed, we'll learn everything together. In this course, we'll be covering all the essential concepts you need to become a confident Java programmer. We'll start with the absolute basics, like understanding what programming is and setting up your environment. We'll then move on to learning about fundamental building blocks like variables, data types, operators, and how to control the flow of your programs with conditional statements and loops. We'll dive into the power of object-oriented programming, a core concept in Java, and explore things like classes, objects, inheritance, and polymorphism. We'll also learn how to work with collections of data, handle errors gracefully, and eventually even touch upon more advanced topics to give you a glimpse of what's next. The course is designed to be progressive and consistent. Each video will build upon what you've learned before, so it's important to follow along and practice. We will also have opportunities to put your skills to the test with practical exercises and maybe even a small project towards the end. So, what exactly is Java? In simple terms, Java is a powerful and versatile programming language that allows us to give instructions to computers to perform some tasks. It's a high-level language, meaning it's relatively easy for humans to read and write compared to the low-level languages that computers understand directly. But don't worry about those details right now. The amazing thing about Java is its widespread use. You might be surprised to know just how much of the technology around you is powered by Java. Web applications. Many large-scale websites and web applications rely on Java on the backend to handle complex tasks. Android mobile apps. Java is the foundation for building a vast number of Android mobile applications. Enterprise applications. Large businesses use Java for their mission-critical applications, handling everything from finance to supply chain management. Scientific and financial applications. Java's robustness and performance make it a popular choice in these demanding fields. Games. Yes, even some games use Java, especially older or indie titles like Minecraft. As you can see, learning Java opens up a huge range of possibilities. It's a valuable skill to have in today's tech-driven world. To start coding in Java, we'll need a few essential tools. Don't worry, they're all free and relatively easy to set up. First, we need the Java Developer Kit or JDK. This is the core software that allows you to write, compile, that's like translating, and run Java programs. I'll walk you through the installation process step by step in the next video, so don't worry about doing this right now. Next, we'll be using an integrated development environment or IDE. Think of it as a supercharged text editor especially designed for programmers. We'll be using IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition in this course. It provides helpful features like code highlighting, auto-completion, and debugging tools that make writing code much easier. While the IDE is our main tool, having a simple text editor like Notepad for Windows or TextEdit on Mac can be useful for quickly reviewing code snippets or taking notes. You'll also need a web browser to access online resources, documentation, and search for solutions when you encounter challenges, which is pretty normal. As we progress, you might find it helpful to explore online Java documentation, like the official Oracle Java documentation, or join online communities and forums where you can ask questions and learn from others. That's it for our first introductory video. I hope you're as excited as I am to start learning Java. Your next step is to watch the next video where I'll guide you through setting up your Java development environment, installing the JDK and IntelliJ IDEA. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future videos in this course. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!